Hey everyone, so today we're going to be showing you the quickest way to peel a tomato. Alright, first we're going to want to cut the tomato in portions on the skin. We're going to cut the skin basically. So first you cut it in quarters, then you want to extend the line all the way down with the knife. So we're cutting. Next, what we're going to do is get a water boiler and start pouring hot boiled water on top of the tomato. So once you pour the hot water on the tomato in a bowl, you're gonna wait about 1 minute. You wanna go ahead and make sure, flip it around since it's not touching all portions of the tomato. As you can see, like the skin is already peeling a little bit on its own, separating from the fruit. Now with a bigger bowl, you could put more tomatoes inside, but we just wanted to show you with one tomato. And most channels are going to show you with multiple tomatoes because sometimes we're making sauce or whatnot. You'll need a few tomatoes, but no one's showing you how to just do it with one tomato. So here we go. Next, you're going to want to just pour out all the hot water. All right, next, you're going to want to put cold water into the bowl. All right, so once we put the cold water in, leave it in for a couple minutes, you'll see that the skin is already starting to come off. And then just start peeling away. And you see how easy it comes off. There we go. Hope that helps, guys.